Hey everybody, welcome back to Dojo Master. Today's video, I've been going really good on Chipper and Son's Lumco now, and I've done a lot, and I've got some of the last bits of blueprints. So, to Lucky Frog, yeah, all these question marks ones. What the hell? Mad Squid. Mutant Squid. It's funny. So Lumberbot 5.0 is the very last one, but today we're going to be building Robo Termite. Oh, thanks for all that stuff. And you can see my pet owls above my head. Oh geez, there's trees everywhere. I can't be bothered with them today. Yeah, I got Bruce. He looks pretty cool. A Lumberbot 4.0. So fast. Oh, see, my owls just give me stuff constantly. I think I've gotten all the owls anyway. Yeah, sorry, I'm just taking care of these guys. They're just everywhere. I haven't been on for a while. Yeah, here we go. Thanks for the fishes. Yeah, as you can see, I've built quite a fair bit. Okay, here we go. Time to build Robo Termite, guys. Moment I've been waiting for so long. Oh, actually, it won't let me build it. Why? Sealed with termite power. Oh, no wonder it won't let me. What else can I build anyway? Jeez, nothing. Oh, that. Can build another frog tower, but Oh, 3.0. Let's build one of them. Oh yeah, it's raining. That'll help. Well, that's disappointing. Thought I could really build it this time. Thanks for that. I wonder if there's some mini games I can do. Down here. Well, this guy doesn't want me to either. Ah, I got stuck. What do you want? Oh, good deal. Give you one. Well, the frogs definitely don't want me to do their quest. Hardly ever want me to. Oh, guy, he better have something for me. Ooh, more sturdy lumber. Wow, what's with all these guys today? Jeez. What do you have? Oh, don't have enough. See what I can buy. Might just buy some more termite tokens next. What was that? An auto minigame thing? That looked pretty cool. I'll go check again for minigames. Well, none of them don't want me to. Still, maybe I could cut down some trees to pass time. Thank you for all this stuff. There's some trees. Bruce just there. He gives you petrified wood every once in a while, not as often as anyone else, which is kind of sad, because I like it when he gives you stuff. Here we go. It could be a cutting down trees video. If you're not a fan of watching people cut down wood in YouTube, then I recommend you don't watch this. I'm just saying. Hopefully I'll get to do some other things. This is going to be a decent video, like 8 minutes or so. So, halfway through the video. Yeah, hang in there. Just grew these trees, so I won't do it just yet. I'll wait until they're big trees, like these ones. Yeah, perfect example. So I got a new fidget spinner today. It's a blue one. It's really cool. And our school's banned them, so it's really annoying. Oh, what? All the wood just disappeared. Well, there's that. A glitch or something? Oh. Jeez. Oh, just tons of common wood. See, it all just disappears. What is up with that? Oh, I think I've gone like max wood or something. I don't know. Probably have, actually. Yeah, let's just go to the very end. There's too many trees. Oh yeah, new area. Haven't done anything here yet. Thank you all. Okay, make it all. It's a lot of wood to make. See what else I can do. Okay, this guy wants me to do my mini game. Oh, termite kings. Oh, this is easy. Just dash through it. Sorry I haven't been putting down all the YouTubers to subscribe to in my description. Haven't gone around to it. I don't know, just haven't really felt like it. What am I doing? Oh, I just found it like that. Okay, that was good. Oh, he gave me all red trees. Actually, that might be useful. Oh, frogs, you're useless. Just give me stuff that I don't need, like tiki birds. I have a lot of those. You want me to do your mini game? Do you? No, he doesn't. He's given up.
Rory?
Oh, I was about to plant my acorns everywhere. Here's a perfect spot. There we go. Grew them all there. And get all my daily junk. This is all junk mail, really. And let's go back here. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all later for some more. Bye!